Hey guys, this is Louis Avila from 12-2. Tonight we will be discussing the Judiciary Act of 1789. The Judiciary Act of 1789 is responsible for allowing Congress to create constitutional courts. And although the system has been altered over the years, America has never been without them. In simple terms, the Judiciary Act of 1789 established the lower federal courts. Under Article 3, Section 1 of the Constitution, if I remember correctly, the judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court, and in such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. Article 3 basically allowed Congress to have full authority to create federal courts, because the framers of the Constitution, well, quite frankly, they didn't have any experience or any in that matter as to how to run and manage these courts. And so today we have three courts that were formed: the district courts, the courts of appeal, and the Supreme Court. The district courts, or trial courts as they may also be called, dealt with both civil and criminal cases. Courts of appeal accept appeals that are then taken to a federal circuit or state. And finally, the Supreme Court, being the highest court in the U.S., only takes certain cases in which it finds and deems unconstitutional. So if a case is found unconstitutional and it seems to violate a citizen's right, the Supreme Court will make sure to address it and fix it. The Supreme Court consists of 9 judges, and its law is supreme due to the supremacy clause. So basically, once it rules something, once it passes a law, it's to be followed by every state in the United States of America. The Judiciary Act was a really important act. The act's concern with establishing limits to federal court jurisdiction now seems quaint. In the more than 2 centuries since the passage of the act, statutes passed by Congress and decisions issued by the Supreme Court concerning the jurisdiction of federal courts have effectively expanded the reach of federal courts. Federal courts have also increased in number. There are now 11 federal circuits, each containing an appeals court and federal district courts. And that's all we have for tonight and on the Judiciary Act of 1789. I'd say to you guys good night and see you later.